Now, your local weather authority forecast with meteorologist Nathan Kitchens.
Welcome back, everyone. We started today with a round of snow, mainly over the central and northern parts of the area. Snowfall totals came in fairly impressive up to the north. We had 7.4 inches in Peru. We had about 4 inches in Roanoke, Macomb, 3 inches of snow. Peoria, just under 2.5 inches with that round of snow earlier today. Now, we've seen some melting out there, and boy, much improved road conditions. This is the view at Glenn and Sterling here in Peoria. You can see the main roads are just very wet. And this is the problem. You've got all this moisture on the roads from the melting snow and some of the rain out there. What's going to happen tonight, temperatures are going to tank, and we're going to add a little more snow on top of that. So that's the recipe for some very hazardous travel, and that's what we're going to be watching as we head into tonight. Let's take another look here in Galesburg. You guys have really been in the snow jackpot all week, and once again with this storm, you can see they're getting moderate to heavy snow up there in Galesburg, and you guys will continue to tack on likely several more inches of snow out of the storm. So the heaviest swath of snow moving forward, you can see, is going to be to our north. So north of I-80, forget about traveling up there this afternoon. They're going to see heavy snow. But around here, it's much lighter snow that will start to develop here as we go into the evening and nighttime hours. We've got a very potent area of low pressure. You can see all that snow that's still falling across the northern edge of the state. But here in Peoria, we're at 35, and it is light rain right now. As you saw from the camera in Galesburg, it is snow in 33. Lincoln is rain at 40 degrees, where we have only had rain so far out of the system. But as we look at road conditions moving forward, we'll watch north and west of Peoria. So if you're traveling north and west, obviously just keep in mind there will be the potential for deteriorating road conditions, and with time, we'll see that line drip south and east. This is 5:30 this evening. We go later on tonight, we do look at potential for some snow-covered roads and blowing snow out there with very gusty winds that will be developing out there overnight. So here's a look at our forecast the next several hours. Rain, we'll start to see rain and snow by 3 o'clock through about 5 p.m. And as we go throughout the rest of your evening, it's falling to snow showers. Temperatures, freezing mark at 7 p.m. And then after that, we are below freezing. So that's when things really go downhill on those roadways overnight. And then the wind, that's the other factor with the storm. Watch this as we go into the nighttime hours, 5 p.m., starting to see those gusts increase. And as we go through the night, those winds really ramp up. We could see gusts 40 to locally near 50 miles per hour. So that's going to be blowing the snow around. As snow showers are kind of becoming drier overnight, the snow is becoming drier because the colder temperatures are settling in. And we talk about some very cold conditions this weekend. Only making it to 16 on Saturday, and by Sunday we're at 0 with morning lows well below the 0 degree mark.